The Feast of Seven Fishes means three things: friends, family, and great seafood. Here at ShopRite, we have the absolute best just for you. And here's a couple of suggestions that we know that you're gonna love. Let's talk shrimp. Shrimp is one of the most easiest things to cook, and it's super dynamic. We like to cook shrimp all kinds of ways, and the best to use is the 1620. They're versatile, they're delicious, and they pack a nice little bite. Our favorite thing to do with shrimp is coconut shrimp, shrimp scampi, boil the shrimp, steam the shrimp, even fry it all up. It's all good to go. Let's talk about lobsters and crab. Just a reminder, we sell fresh lobsters in store, and to make it much easier on you, we can steam them while you shop. As for crab, go gourmet this holiday. Grab jumbo crab meat. It makes the best crab cakes. Oysters and clams make a great raw bar. Here's how you choose the best oysters. When choosing oysters, just take two oysters, tap them together, and listen for a pebbly sound. If they sound like pebbles slapping together, they're good to go. If they sound hollow, don't get those. As for clams, same thing. If you want to learn how to shuck oysters the safe and easy way, just follow us on social. We'll show you. Branzino or Mediterranean sea bass is really easy to cook. When you want to pick one out, just keep an eye for certain things. Nice shiny skin, clear eyes, and if you can see the gills, make sure they're nice and red. Whole roasted Branzino is chef's kiss. Some honorable mentions are mussels, scallops, and snapper. And as a rule of thumb while picking out seafood, just make sure it smells like the ocean. If you want to learn how to whip these up in the kitchen, just follow our social media pages.